Washington Mwangi. I'm going from Kenya. I've been suffering from seizures since 2008. And I've been running from one doctor to another, taking treatment until last year when I got a CT scan which showed I had a brain tumor. My sister went through the internet and then we found Manipal hospital. The reception from the hospital was excellent because after the first day after our arrival, we had already been scheduled for the operation, and we got admitted on the same day. The doctors were fine, feeling much better, and they started healing.
My name is Praveen Ganigi. Washington is my brother. I'm from Kenya, but I'm based in the US. And he's been sick for quite some time, from around 2008, having seizures and convulsions. And we sought treatment from so many doctors in Nairobi without much success. And finally, one of the doctors decided to order a CT scan, which revealed that he had a brain tumor, which was operable. So we initially thought we could get treatment in Nairobi, and we actually scheduled an appointment. And when he got admitted, we quickly realized that it was unaffordable. And luckily, he actually had a fungal infection on his head, which meant that the operation had to be rescheduled. So at that point, when I found out the true cost of the operation in Nairobi, I started looking online for other places for treatment, and I'd been recommended by so many people to come to India. So I actually went online and started looking for, brain surgery treatment in India, and I bumped into RX Medical Services. And as soon as I logged on, somebody came online and started chatting, and his name was Ramesh, and that's how we started the process. So I sent him my brother's medical records, and within, I think, 24 hours or 48 hours, he had come back with a response on the hospital, the charges and how long it would take, and we started the process from there. So it was very quick, and we were able to get feedback right away, and so the issue was just scheduling a day that we could come in. So that's how we ended up at Manipal Hospital, because Ramesh recommended Manipal, and when I looked up, the reviews, and I think I saw even one of the lists as one of the best hospitals in Asia, so I figured we'll be in good hands, and the cost was affordable. It was something we could afford, even with the cost of travel. That's how we ended up. So we arrived on a Monday morning. We got to the hospital maybe around 11 o'clock in the morning, and met with Gita, and it was actually, the process was very efficient. It's almost like a waiting for us. I had forgotten to confirm the day we would arrive, so I didn't confirm our arrival until I think 12 hours before. So it was, we totally forgot to confirm the arrival, but when we got here, she had everything ready for us. So she was able to schedule an appointment with Dr. Praveen. We went in for consultation, and he reviewed the CT scans we had from Nairobi and said that it was something that was operable. We went through all the risks and the potential benefits, and we knew we would get surgery, so we agreed to. We started doing the tests required, and the great thing was that I think he probably had about 20 tests that needed to be done between the blood work and an MRI, and we were able to do everything in a very short time. It was so much running around, but it was worth it because we did so much in one day. And he was admitted, I think by 5 o'clock he was admitted, and by 8 p.m. Had confirmed that we could perform the operation on Wednesday. So it was just great to know that we didn't waste any time. Everything happened so quickly. He got the surgery on Wednesday. He was in the ICU for maybe 12 hours. And I mean, the report from the neurosurgeon was great, that the surgery went well, and we felt very reassured. And when he came out of the ICU, I was actually shocked that he's out of the ICU. And the next day they took off his bandage, and it was it's just been great watching him recover, because it's been a long time coming. So we're definitely very grateful that when you hear somebody's having a brain operation, you don't know what to expect, and I think unconsciously you expect the worst. And so to go see him in the ICU and hear him talk and hear the nurses try to make him talk and do some things, that was very encouraging, and I knew that he had picked the right place for his treatment and he was getting the best care. So we are very grateful. It was a great experience and everything turned out well. I would recommend Manipal to anyone because we had come, we were 3 of us, so my elder brother was here as well, and he decided we had to have him get a physical checkup, just because we're here and he'll get good care and it's affordable. And he found out he has an eyesight problem, which he didn't know, so he was able to get his eyes checked, and he was able to get glasses, which he traveled with. So it's been wonderful. I live in the US, and I haven't even seen the level of care that my brother was able to get here. So, and to even be able to afford it without paying out of pocket, that's truly the biggest thing for us. Because if you have the health care, in Kenya we could get the operation, but it was totally unaffordable. So to be able to come here, be there for him at a cost that was good for us, we can definitely do that. So